Right, I've got a little bit of a test world loaded up here, and I'm curious what you think about two different ways of interacting with objects in the world. So the first way is to have the ability to click the objects and select them and then interact with them using something like the right mouse button. So this reminds me of games like World of Warcraft and so on, where you wander up to an item and then you can use it by right-clicking on it. And then some sort of interaction happens with the world. So you can see that I've actually beat that rock up a bit. But you'll notice that if I right-click anywhere else, the hammer isn't used. I don't really have full control over when they use it. I have to be next to something, right-click it, and so on. The other option is to actually just be able to use the item. So for example, if I hit E right now, it will actually run that animation. And so I'm using the item. And if I walk up to something that the item can be used on, say for example this rock here, I can hit E, and now it selects the rock and interacts with it. And I can use this action wherever I am as long as I have that tool equipped, and it only does something if I'm actually next to an object that can be interacted with. So again, the other option is to right click, kind of like World of Warcraft and games like that, and the other one is to actually have the ability to use the item wherever you are, but only have it affect the world when there's an object it can interact with. This is more in line with games like Harvest Moon and so on. So tell me what you think in the comments, and I'll see. I might just implement both, but I think it'd be nice to have a unified way to interact with these objects in the world.